Hi guys, welcome back to Family Flyouts. Today we are flying to Duxford. We haven't been there in a long time, but it's a really cool place. There's loads of airplanes in the hangar. Like
Concorde, Tornado and Blackbird.
And yeah, we're very excited.
And we're very cold.
Yeah.
These seats should have parachutes in them.
We don't need parachutes, we've got wings.
Yeah, but like, what if the floor fell beneath us? Trap door.
Got to practice first.
Biggin Tower, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, outbound.
Golf Juliet Bravo, pass your message.
Golf Juliet Bravo is an AA5 with information Alpha 1002 and PPR 95. We have 4 POB at fuel pumps, request taxi for VFR flight to Duxford.
Good. Go for it.
Just when I read it, I have to say to myself, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, not GGAB. Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo. Biggin Tower, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, outbound.
Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Biggin Tower, roger. Taxi to holding point Alpha 1 for runway 21, QNH 1002.
Alpha 1 for 21, Golf Juliet Bravo. You're wearing my speech!
Golf Juliet Bravo, 002.
1002.
1002.
Yay! Mummy! Mummy, go, go, go.
I had all my speech prepared and he cut me down.
Well, that's a nice jet, isn't it?
Oh.
So why don't we have one of those?
Well, when you're rich and famous, you can buy me one.
Oh God! His number plate, OHGOD.
I can buy me one if I learn to fly.
He's taxiing faster than we take off.
Biggin Tower, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo at A1 for 21, squawking 7047, ready for departure.
Golf Juliet Bravo, hold position.
Holding.
Golf Juliet Bravo, behind the landing citation, runway 21, line up and wait behind.
Behind the landing aircraft, line up and wait behind. Golf Juliet Bravo.
Didn't forget to put his landing wheels down.
No. Bit of luck, isn't it?
Yeah.
Rocky 160 Romeo, climb now, altitude 3,000 feet.
Rocky.
Lucky one.
Rocky.
Very good, forward you. Rocky 160 Romeo,
Copyright.
climb now, altitude
Copyright.
3,000 feet.
Copyright.
3,000 feet, Rocky 160 Romeo. Rocky 160 Romeo, contact Thames radar 128.025. Good day. Golf Juliet Bravo, left turn at 2 miles, surface wind 2808 knots, runway 21, cleared for takeoff.
With a left turn at 2 miles, cleared for takeoff, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Biggin Tower, Golf Charlie Delta, Echo Foxtrot, taxi.
Right.
Charlie Delta, Echo Foxtrot, Biggin Tower, pass.
Engine T's and B's are in the green.
Golf Charlie Delta, Echo Foxtrot.
Airspeed's increasing.
78 parked at the self-fuel, request taxi to EFT.
50 knots.
Hey, another wind!
60 knots.
Golf Bravo Sierra Victor Mike, Biggin Tower, continue left base, runway 21, report final number 1.
Continue left base, final number 1, Golf Victor Mike.
Golf Echo Foxtrot, taxi via Alpha 4 and Foxtrot 2 for EFG.
Taxi to EFG via Alpha 4 and Foxtrot 2, Golf Echo Foxtrot.
Golf Juliet Bravo, contact Biggin approach 129.405.
Biggin approach, 129405.
Juliet Bravo.
Juliet Bravo.
So we can press that. And then go Biggin approach, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo. That's all you have to say.
Biggin approach, Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo.
Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Biggin approach, report passing a beam Swanley, basic service, and what level are you climbing to?
Report passing beam at Swanley, climbing to 2,300 feet, basic service, Juliet Bravo.
Is it just me or does it feel shaky today?
It's a bit windy.
It's a bit windy, it's all.
How green all the fields are.
Why aren't we flying to skiing?
Because of the weather.
And because of the hours that we spent last time in the plane.
Yeah, but this time we're spending like 13 hours in the car. Longer.
Yeah, but it's easier to puke on the ground than in the air.
You won't be puking on the ground.
Thing is when we fly, we're weather dependent. And at that time of year, it could be really cold, it could be snowy. So we don't want to have to cut the holiday short by a few days because we need to get out.
Which we had to do last time.
Yeah.
Right, the next frequency we're going to have after this is Farnborough 123225. So if you turn the big knob,
Turn what?
turn the big knob left, get that to 123.
Number 3 Victor Papa, turn left immediately.
Turning left.
221.
225. What was that? Balloon or something?
Where?
Right underneath it.
Golf Pub Yankee, score com security and free call Farnborough radar.
I haven't got to say that word, have I?
Thank you, officer. Yeah, you might do. School conspicuity. Vehicle Farnborough, you say school conspicuity. Golf Juliet Bravo.
Or conspicuity.
Conspicuity.
What does that mean?
Who knows?
Shouldn't you?
Biggin approach, Golf Juliet Bravo at Swanley, 2,300 feet. Request frequency to change to Farnborough 123.225.
Golf Juliet Bravo, score com security, suggest Farnborough North 132.8. Bye-bye.
132.
132.8 squawk conspicuity. 132.8.
Okay.
The top one.
The score first, that's VFR.
What did you say, squawk?
Conspicuity is VFR.
Request joining instruction.
132
Foxtrot Yankee, Biggin approach, report 3 miles run to
The top one.
Yeah.
132.
Decimal 8.
I thought it was decimal 08.
No, it's decimal 8. Okay, and then flip-flop it.
And then what?
Press the flip-flop button to put it at the top.
Oh,
And
yeah.
now it's on live frequency.
Flip-flop?
What's VLOC?
This is for the radio navigation.
Oh.
Dartford Crossing just in front of us, so Lakeside's down there. Oh, sorry, Blue Water's down there. Blue Water's down there.
What's Lakeside?
Lakeside's a shopping centre the other side of it.
How does the control tower know it's us?
Appears on their radar.
Oh, okay.
When this code, and this code appears next to us.
Okay. The squawky number thing.
Yeah.
On your radar. Britney Spears. Plane. 1 o'clock.
We're
That's it.
near Stapleford Airport, so.
Oh. It looks quite low.
There's another plane below it.
1002, Golf Charlie.
Below it?
Hang on a sec, guys.
On the brown patch.
Uniform.
Stapleford Radio, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo's AA5 at 2,300 feet, just reaching through your overhead.
Roger, no known traffic affected today, TNH 1002.
1002, Golf Juliet Bravo, thank you. That's Stapleford Airport down there.
Yeah, that's where that plane just landed.
There's one there. Right on our right.
What, going towards the airport?
Shush, shush, shush. Golf Juliet Bravo.
Going
Golf
towards
Juliet
me.
Bravo, report your squawk now to Farnborough radar 132.8.
132.8, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Coming towards us?
Yeah.
Where?
Farnborough radar, Golf Bravo, Tango Golf
Below
Zulu,
us, a lot.
request frequency
On the
change
right.
to
Sorry, guys,
Norwich
sorry.
approach 119.355.
Golf Zulu, squawk conspicuity, QS1 en route, bye-bye.
Roger, Golf Zulu.
Farnborough radar, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, squawking 1733.
Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Farnborough radar, squawk 5022, basic service.
3022, basic service, Juliet Bravo.
Golf Juliet Bravo, just check that was 5022.
5022, Golf Juliet Bravo.
No,
So we're about 20 miles away from Duxford. Thomas, what are you hoping to see when you get there?
Blackbird, Concorde and Tornado.
Blackboard, Concorde and Tornado.
Blackboard?
Blackboard.
Blackboard?
Imogen?
I don't really know. I don't know.
Plane.
Planes?
The Tornado is one I always wanted to fly when I was in the cadets.
Did you ever fly it?
No,
Did you ever have the chance?
no. It's like the Eurofighter now. It's what if I'd gone to the Air Force, I'd have been flying one. There is a plane there. There's a story, it's quite a funny story about it. There's a plane there called a Lightning. And years ago they were doing some repair work on it. And one of the...
Is that West Kent?
No. One of the engineers was doing sort of high-speed taxi runs, I think. So they'd taken the canopy off it and they were trying to repair it and whatever. So it wasn't connected to the radio properly. Had no canopy. And something happened and he ended up having to take off. And he flew for, I think it was about 20 minutes he flew for, doing circuits, trying to burn off some fuel, I think, before he could come into land. But obviously with no radio,
And no canopy.
no canopy, must have been windy. And he wasn't a pilot, he was an engineer. I think he had his pilot's license, but he wasn't an Air Force pilot.
Huh.
And
Was it his fault?
I can't remember what went wrong, I'll have to look up the video when we get home. But the funny thing was that there was a tour at Duxford, at the museum, and the visitors on the tour were being explained that this was the actual Lightning that had that incident. And the guy who did it, who was now quite an old man, was in the crowd. And so he put his hand up and he said, that was me. Quite funny.
Maybe he'll be there now. I don't know if she's still there, but they had, they used to have Memphis Belle.
What's that? Oh, the bomber.
Yeah.
It was from World War II.
Yeah,
And
I
they
think it
nearly-
was actually Memphis Belle, wasn't it? Or the...
Yeah.
I need to improve my knowledge on planes.
They nearly sent one of their teammates was hurt, and they nearly sent him out of the bombing hole over Germany, and hoped that some German guy would be nice to him.
Really?
Yeah, we saw it in that
See ya.
movie,
Oh, in the movie, yeah. Oh, yes, you're right, they did, yeah.
We don't want you anymore. Goodbye.
and they're all very drunk.
It was his best chance to survive, wasn't it? They couldn't get him home.
Yeah.
What, drop him out with all the bombs?
No, drop him out after the bombs.
He had a
They already
parachute.
bombed it. And there were like American fighter jets that went like a bit of the way with them.
The Mustangs, yeah, they were the American version of the Spitfires, weren't they?
Mustangs are cars.
Mustangs were the American version of the Spitfire as well.
It's like a helicopter or something over there, just flying over that town.
They didn't have enough fuel to go the whole way to Germany.
No, they haven't got big enough fuel tanks, have they?
And I'm not sure if it was true or not, but they thought someone, well, like a bullet went through the window and they thought someone got shot, but it was like this drink that got spilled.
It's tomato soup, wasn't it?
Yeah.
There was, I can't remember her name, like she wrote her own biography and she came into my school and she said that her dad, she brought it in as well, her dad was in the war and he was wearing a like metal flask for his drink and he got shot but he didn't get hurt because it shot the flask and it didn't go all the way through
It's lucky, isn't it?
You can see that massive dent from where the bullet was.
On for radar, Golf Juliet Bravo, request frequency change to Duxford 12208, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Juliet Bravo, squawk, conspicuity, free call Duxford.
Squawk, conspicuity, thank you, bye.
Anyone see an airport? Duxford radio, Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, inbound.
Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Duxford information, pass your message.
Golf Juliet Bravo's AA5, 4 POB, 8.5 miles to the southwest, 2,200 feet, request instructions or request information to join and land.
Golf Juliet Bravo, it's 2-4 left-hand pattern at Duxford and the QFE 90907 hectopascals.
2-4 left hand, QFE 907 hectopascals, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Golf Hotel Tango overhead to Washington.
Can you see it?
Tango, report downwind left.
Report downwind left, Golf Hotel Tango.
Golf Juliet Bravo, you've got an RF3, just reported Royston to join downwind left and report downwind left.
Report downwind left, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Tango, traffic views an AA5 from the southwest to join downwind left as well.
That's good information, Golf Juliet Alpha Charlie Sierra.
Duxford information, I think I'm visual with the other aircraft to the southwest, just overtaking him on my right wing.
Yeah, who was that?
Juliet Bravo.
Oh, Juliet Bravo, roger. Other station calling Duxford, pass your message.
Yeah.
Golf Hotel Tango joining for downwind left hand for 2-4.
Hotel Tango, report final.
Report final.
There's quite a lot of planes here, so let's keep our eyes open. Quite a lot.
Why were you saying that you had a visual on the other person?
Because I think it was him that was joining as well, and he was just letting it. I was letting him know that we were on his left. Really.
Also, there's a plane over there.
Where?
Right, like 1 o'clock, kind of to me. It's kind of far away, but it's there. Like moving.
Whereabouts, Imogen?
It's like in front of us, but it's quite far away.
Same height as us?
A bit lower it looks, I don't know. I can't see it anymore because we've...
Okay, keep your eyes peeled then.
It was like more, it was a dot moving along,
Okay.
so it might have been quite far away.
Duxford information, Golf Juliet Bravo, downwind, runway 24 left hand. Thanks, sir, Thunder Count down.
Your traffic's just past midpoint downwind and RF3.
It's really close to us.
Huh?
I've got it.
I can see it,
Yeah.
swear.
Is that the one?
Copy visual of the traffic, Juliet Bravo. Thanks, sir, Thunder Coach down, mixed stretch, fuel pumps on.
Great spot.
I think I win the plane spotting award today.
Let's slow down a bit, give him some room.
X-ray information. Golf X-ray Hotel Papa, hello again.
X-ray Hotel Papa, Duxford information.
Golf X-ray Hotel Papa is approaching somewhere from the north, currently 1 mile northeast of Bourne, 2,700 feet on 1002, positioning for right-hand base runway 25 at Papa.
Golf Hotel Papa, roger, look out for a PA-28 also
He's the
joining
one over there,
25 at Falmere coming in from Biggleswade.
Where's the other one, sir?
In front of us, I can see it, I think it is. I'm sure it's a guy that's on the radio at the moment.
It's one on fire.
Thank you, changing back to Farmer 135 as well.
Maybe it's not.
Did you see the one on our left?
Yes, I did, thanks. Golf Juliet Bravo, turning base, runway 24.
Juliet Bravo, roger, your traffic's on, short final.
Bruce, there you're currently...
Following the gun, short.
Bravo, your traffic's on, short final, report final.
Full final, Juliet Bravo.
Park directly opposite the tower on the grass there. Golf Alpha Yankee Mike Kilo, Duxford information, stand by.
Golf Juliet Bravo, final land, runway 24.
Juliet Bravo, runway 24 left, land your discretion, instant wind 27012 knots.
Under my discretion, Juliet Bravo.
Golf Alpha Yankee Mike Kilo, Duxford information, pass your message.
Golf Alpha Yankee Mike Kilo, Cherokee PA 28 from Blackpool into Duxford. We're currently 14 miles to the north of Royston, requesting airfield information and joining instructions. Golf Mike Kilo.
Mike Kilo, Duxford's on runway 24 left pattern, and the QFE is 997 hectopascals.
997, and we'll probably at Royston go for a downwind for 24. Golf Mike Kilo.
Mike Kilo, Roger, thank you for that, and just look out.
We avoided all the villages there.
Traffic.
Golf Mike Kilo, Roger.
Duxford, November 113 Alpha Charlie, 5 miles to the south inbound.
Station calling 5 miles to the south inbound.
It's November 113 Alpha Charlie.
November 113 Alpha Charlie, Duxford information, Duxford's on 24 left hand, and the QFE 997 hectopascals.
QFE 997, 24 left hand, and we'll be joining downwind, November 3 Alpha Charlie.
November 3 Alpha Charlie, Roger, report downwind, thanks.
Okay.
November 3 Alpha Charlie, I've got traffic inbound from the north, from Blackpool direction, keep a lookout for that one.
Okay, November 3 Alpha Charlie.
Traffic fuse a TB20 inbound from the south to join downwind.
Hello, birdies.
Golf Mike Kilo, keep a lookout.
That was very
Duxford information.
That was all beautiful.
Tango Mike inbound to you from the east. Currently overhead the wind farms at 6 Mile Bottom and looking for airfield information.
This one's the American hangar with the Blackbird in it. You might even see it in the window as we go past. Promise this hangar here.
It's a cool hangar.
It's cool, isn't it?
Transiting.
Why doesn't our hangar look like that?
4 miles and looking for traffic. Golf Tango Mike.
Blackbird is towards the middle.
I can see the back of Blackbird.
Oh yeah, I
Looking for
can see
traffic. Golf
it.
Tango Mike.
Are these all actual planes or are they models?
No, they're real planes. Wave to the little boy.
Juliet Bravo should continue past the tower to park on the eastern light aircraft park.
That's Tower, Eastern Light Aircraft Park, Juliet Bravo, thank you.
There'll be pit stops, plane. Pink plane. There'll be pit stop usage on pink car. Or maybe.
Still don't know who she is.
Oh, isn't she from Thunderbird?
It's a hooded claw.
Golf Mike Kilo, Roger.
No, Thunderbirds is different. She also had a pink. She had a pink limousine.
Go downwind, Golf Mike Kilo.
Quite a lot of
Thunderbirds.
planes parked here, we're right at the end.
That's the Earl's
Golf
plane.
Tango Mike, about 2 miles to run.
How'd you know that?
Tango Mike, Roger, runway occupied 1 to vacate.
You'll make the Earl.
Zulu 1 on the runway. Golf Tango Mike.
You'll make the Earl.
Do you want to take the full length or can you come across grass?
From the first video.
Yeah.
Would you continue to the end and then right and follow all the way around to toward the tower?
Right at the end of the Alpha Charlie.
Duxford information, Golf Lima Alpha November Echo is inbound from North Weald.
I remember the hangar.
The plane's called Santiago II.
The Piper Saratoga.
Oh, is it? Doesn't look like it says Saratoga.
Blackbird and it has all the information about it.
It's upside down, I think.
Pardon?
It's upside down.
Oh yeah. It's got all the information about it, and then it's got pictures from the back, the side, and top.
Very nice.
Duxford information. Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, radio check.
Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Duxford information, you're 5.
Request taxi information VFR flight to Biggin Hill.
Golf Juliet Bravo, roger, runway 24 left in use, QNH 1003, and taxi to Alpha for your departure, caution, assessment 172.
Alpha for 241003, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Classic 21, taxi to Echo.
Taxi to you, Echo.
Ready, guys?
Duxford information, Golf Hotel Alpha India Golf on the eastern apron for engine start.
Golf Hotel Alpha India Golf, roger, start your discretion. The runway in use.
Engine 2 speeds green.
Left and the
Airspeed increasing.
1003.
60 knots.
24 left 1003, Golf India Golf.
Duxford radio, goes Charlie, Echo Tango, Foxtrot, one question, engine start on radio check, please.
Bye-bye, Duxford, look at all the planes out the way.
Again.
Golf Charlie, Echo Tango, Foxtrot, sir.
Charlie, Echo Tango Fox, yeah, start your discretion. Runway 24 left. QNH 1003.
1003.
Why did you apologise?
24 left.
I pushed in.
Golf Charlie, Echo Tango, Foxtrot.
Classic 2-1, port lined up, 2-4 left.
Port line up, 2-4 left, classic 1.
We had a great time on our first flight of the year.
Yeah, Duxford is a fantastic place to visit, and you get entry to the museum with your landing fee.
And when you first walk in and see all the massive planes in the hangar, it's really amazing. Please like and subscribe because it really helps out our channel.
And if you have any suggestions for other places we should visit, please let us know in the comments.
Golf Juliet Bravo, left base is available if you prefer.
Hey, firm left base, please.
Join left base, contact tower 134.805.
134.805, left base, Giant Juliet Bravo. Biggin Tower, Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo. Brakes off,
Golf Golf Alpha Juliet Bravo, Biggin Tower, continue for the left base join, report final number 1.
Report final number 1, left base join, Golf Juliet Bravo. We're going to fly over our house here, guys.
I was looking for that. Is that Orbital Station over there?
This is the station.
Yeah.
Brakes off, undercarriage, make 3. Fuel pumps on, check the icing. Slow down, we're going to slow down.
There's the park. Wait, we're going to fly over our house.
Should have put the pool lights on, shouldn't we?
I can't see it.
Golf Kilo Delta, QNH 1004, basic service and squawk 7047.
70471004. Helicopter Kilo Bravo. Kilo Delta.
Biggin approach, good afternoon, Golf Alpha Hotel.
Got to like a left base join.
Golf Kilo Delta, next report to be Swanley and traffic.
Don't normally get that.
To inbound to the field from the east.
We're a little bit high.
How can you tell that from over here?
Your Delta's past Swanley to call 3 miles. Now we're spot on.
Runway looks cool with all the lights.
It does, doesn't it?
I see the tennis club.
Yes.
I see the glades.
Romeo Alpha at Swanley.
November Juliet to
I see dead diesel.
Gazelle helicopter east of the field routing north.
Where the triangle building is. Black and white building. That's where the glades is.
Look at this castle on the right hand side, Imogen.
November Juliet Delta.
Not a castle.
It looks like it.
It's a stately home. It's Holbrook, isn't it? Holbrook or something.
Delta, 43 miles to run left base join.
That's around left base join, 9 Juliet Delta.
Golf Juliet Bravo, final to land, runway 21. I got clearance.
Don't know.
What do you mean clearance?
Golf Juliet Bravo, short final to land, runway 21.
Golf Juliet Bravo, runway 21, surface wind 240 degrees, 4 knots, clear to land.
Clear to land, Golf Juliet Bravo.
Lucky. What did you mean?
Biggin approach, this is Golf Romeo Alpha, passed Fronley just a minute or two ago.
Can't land unless he's told you you can land.
Golf Romeo Alpha, score con security, especially free call south end 130.780, bye-bye.
Thank you, we'll call south end on 130.780 and score conspicuity, Golf Romeo Alpha.
Juliet Delta is 4 miles now.
November Juliet Delta, continue to join left base, contact tower 134.805.
Tower 9 Juliet Delta.
Great landing.
Not quite as smooth as earlier.
Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.